welcome back. Yes, quick and fast. We're not, don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Okay, I just want to get this out in case they come to pick it up today. So custom request for a coaster set. Whew, sweet Jesus. And I'm hoping I don't tear the mold or my skin in this process. What date is today? June. I don't know when this is gonna get posted, but I've been trying to upload as much unmoldings as possible because I have been recording them. I just haven't been. Oh, that looks so good. Sorry. Okay, but yeah, I haven't been posting them, but I've been recording them and essentially hoarding the media on my phone, which has no space now. So here I am trying to rush to take this off. This looks so good. Oh my gosh, I drew that, guys. Not from scratch. That's another story. But yes, I don't like this second rim here, but yeah, just throw that over there. Yes. Oh wait, I gotta do this one first because this was the first one I made, and ooh, I tried to do it. Oh god, that looks bad. I'm gonna ask her if this is okay. I tried to do it like in the same batch, like one go. So like I did the first layer, like all the red first layer on one thing, and then I took out the thing that I had separating it to like pour, and that was not a good idea. It worked out on this one because the legs were what was red, but this one it started seeping in, and then also when I pulled it, it was still kind of like tacky. So it, yeah, anyways. All right, okay, so 3 out of 4. I'm here for it. I actually kind of like this one too though. I'm gonna ask her how she feels about it, but I kind of like this one too. But yeah, we have the Flash themed coaster set. Let's see how, oh, and it fits. We're right where we need to be. Hell yeah. Okay, so thank you so much for watching. Actually, do I want to do something else? Let me take this out and see how this looks, because it would be nice to have something new to the table since I sold quite a bit of stuff from the last market. Ooh, hey girl. Okay, she got a little silver on her chest. Tits look kind of small compared to the last one, but we're here. We're here for it. What else do I want to take out? I think I'll take this one out, because this is kind of a little combination of that one. It's supposed to just be taking out one thing, but I need to put some new things on my table because I like little variety, you know, little spice of life, little razzle dazzle. Okay, cool little palo santo holder. This has some glitter and stuff in it. Actually, because I have a problem, this one is based on a nail set that I had. Oh, that came out so good. Oh, that came out so good. Okay, yeah, this is going on the table. Y'all see that? Ah, I'm excited. Okay, all right, I'm done. For real, I'm done. So we got this tray, little pink mama here, palo santo holder, and this is for the homie. Make sure you subscribe to All Things Pointless. Check out the podcast, and whether you got here on purpose or by fate, thank you so much for watching this Pointless Unmolding. Bye.